Hello folks, hope everybody is well today. Okay, a nice, pretty simple salad. We're going to basically be doing a green bean, sauteed green bean with some chickpeas and tuna. So in terms of ingredients, we've got chickpeas, green beans, different types of tomatoes, some red pepper, some lemon, obviously the tuna. I'm going to use basically a bit of garlic and lemon for roasting the green beans. We've got some of that last little bit of that Danish Feta and chives as the garnish. All of that is going on top of a bed of baby spinach, lettuce, and some mixed baby greens with a fairly simple sauce of a little bit of olive oil and some apple cider vinegar with a teensy tiny bit of this very famous Japanese mayonnaise. So if anybody can tell me what the name of that is, you get extra points in the comments. But it's Japanese mayonnaise, all the chefs use it. Check in the comments if you want to figure out what it actually is. So I'm going to start off with the green beans. That's going to saute it. I'm going to see if I can get a nice camera angle of that, and then let's come back to here and put it all together. I'm hungry, so let's get started. Let's check how that temperature turned out. That's good. I mean, I would have liked a little bit more of a sizzle, but that's okay, that'll do. Okay, so I've let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, I'm going to start to add in my flavoring. I think a lot of people make the mistake of adding in their flavoring too early. So I'm doing a small little bit of butter and a bit of garlic. If I had to add this in right in the beginning, the butter would brown too early and the garlic would burn. Okay, so that's gone for another 3 minutes or so, just as they're starting to brown there. And then we're going to add in the final little bit, which is the lemon. Squeeze over your hand so you don't get the pips in there. Okay, super, and we're back. So I've actually opened up my door, which you can see there, and I'm hoping that the sound is not going to bounce as much, and I will check that. So that might be a regular thing where the sound is a little bit better in the videos. Okay, so let's make the salad. So we're going to start off with the base of the chickpeas. Get those guys in there. Let's pop on the tomatoes. Okay, let's get these green beans and a couple of the pieces of garlic in there. These guys are looking really good. Nice. Now for the tuna. Just going to spread this around a bit. Awesome. Pop on a handful of red peppers. We've been getting the sweetest red peppers, look really amazing. And the chives on top. Nice. Okay, I'm going to put a couple of our seed mix, description down below of what that is, in there. And now just to sauce it up. Got olive oil. Bit of apple cider vinegar. Always get apple cider vinegar that has the mother. You can Google that for more information. Sure. And then this little famous Japanese mayonnaise, which we're going to add just a touch of. This is tuna. Awesome. I think just to sort of dress it a teeny bit more on the top. Oh, I forgot the cheese. There's always that. Ha! Perfect. Okay, so cheese on top and a couple more of the chives. Beautiful. That's done. Okay, thank you all for coming. Thank you all for watching. Much appreciated. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Come back tomorrow, watch again, leave me some comments, make some requests, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.